Honorable Junet, why are you not talking? Give him the mic. Give him the mic.
Thank you. Madam Speaker, I want to inform my leader that I've also come across this circular in the streets of Nairobi here. And I have never seen a more defective circular that has come out of the executive than this one. Madam Speaker, we have 3 arms of government, and we have 2 governments in one government who are interdependent but distinct. We have devolved governments and we have national government. You cannot direct a governor elected by the people of the Republic of Kenya how to travel and who to carry and who not to carry. Governors cannot be managed from State House. That one is for a fact. The Constitution does not allow that. Parliament cannot be managed from the executive. The only person who can give directives in Parliament on how we shall travel or not travel, what to eat, not to eat, is the Speaker of the Republic of Kenya, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, if we allow this...
Honorable Junet, that's enough information for one day. Minority Leader, you've made your point.
I'm concluding. I'm just concluding.
You have 30 seconds. I'll give the Majority Leader.
And let me say this, that if this trend is not stopped, this country is going to turn to the dark jungle days. Madam Speaker, we have seen in the recent past State House attempting to even manage